Emva kwalomhlangano ogcine ubanjwe esithe uNdunankulu wesizwe samazulu umntwana wakwa Phindangene uveze ukuthi iNdlunkulu izwakalise ukudumala ngesiphakamiso sokuhoxiswa kwesiko lokuvulwa kwesishayamthetho sakwazulu natal yingonyama ngenxa yokungaboni ngaso linye ngesihlalo sobukhosi. Ake sicoshe bukhoma isithangami lapho ushenge ethula khona isiphakamiso zomhlangano.
So anyway, a certain Sergeant Mishak Madela was in Devon, who would also ask other people with me, he would always ask them, what is this son of Matole says to you? Because he's a communist. Everywhere people are shadowed like that. Do you know, at the time they financed him, I can show you where his butchery is. They set him a butchery not far from my house to watch me. So when this meeting took place then in June, that evening I was not there myself because I drove home and went back in the morning. These officials from the Department of Information were hopping from one tent to another, and also with the security police, saying that they must not make a mistake to elect me as the first chairman of the territorial authority, otherwise the head of government, from one to the other. But you know what the Zulus did? They elected me unanimously. So when I accepted, I quoted the Prime Minister of Britain, Disraeli, who after we routed our people routed the British at Sandwana, said a remarkable people, the Zulus. They convert our bishops, they defeat our generals, they convert our bishops, and they've changed the destiny of one of the big royal families. Because we killed also the Prince Imperial of France during that war. So I said, Zulu people are remarkable. You know, most of the 90% of our courses were not even educated. And in course of the Tunus now, he always boasted. He always said, some care to tell us, you would always say that. So now, then I've already said that they passed that law, number 5 of 25, which states that Isilo is the monarch of the province. Now the same people now, I'm sorry, I'm skipping the fact that the commission that was chosen by Mr. Kedman said that Ulundi should be used as the legislative capital and